Today's Daily Dose of Math is using a scale diagram. This scale diagram doesn't give us the scale, but it does give us the real measure of one of the sides of this triangle, and we can use that to find the scale. Then we'll use our scale to find the diameter of the circle, and we'll use the circumference of a circle formula to find the circumference of that circle. The first thing I have to do is measure the triangle's side that I know has a real measure of 4 centimeters. My ruler measure is 2.7 centimeters. I can put these two numbers together to find the scale of my diagram. 2.7 centimeters ruler represents 4 centimeters real in this diagram. Now I can use that scale in a proportion to find the length of the diameter. To do that, though, I have to measure the diameter on the diagram. And I get 4.8 centimeters. I build a proportion by putting 2.7 over 4 on one side, and then on the other side of an equal sign, I put 4.8 centimeters over x. Remember, we have ruler over real in our scale. So since 4.8 centimeters was a ruler measure of the diameter, it has to go on the top. I solved this proportion with cross multiplication. 2.7x equals 4 times 4.8. The 4 times 4.8 simplifies to give me 2.7x equals 19.2. I divide both sides by 2.7 so that I can isolate my variable. These cancel. My x is isolated and is equal to 7.1. 7.1 centimeters is the real length of the diameter. But I don't need the diameter in the circumference of a circle formula. I need the radius. So first, I have to do the radius and diameter formula. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, which in this case is 7.1 divided by 2, and that gives me a radius of 3.55 centimeters. That's the value I need to plug into this formula. Pi is replaced with 3.14, and the r is replaced with 3.55. When I multiply, I get a final answer of 22.294 centimeters as the circumference of this circle. This is how we use a scale diagram when we're not given a scale, but we are given one of the real measures to solve problems and find missing measures. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.